Yeah, making this in 3 days was, I don't know. Oh my God. You guys, I made some dresses in 3 days. These are the two pieces, and the other third one. Oh my God. Let's continue with this vlog. Guys, come with me. Let's prep. I need to rush to the market now. I need to. I'm going to do a vlog on the market runs. So yesterday, Sunday, what's today's date is what? Let me check. Today is 20th July 2026. Yesterday, Sunday, somebody messaged me and said, "Ma, can you make two dresses for me? This is Chioma." And I'm like, "Which of the Chioma?" And she said, "I find out that it's my daughter's friend, my daughter's schoolmate." She's like, "Can you make two dresses for me?" And I'm like, "Okay, yeah. What styles are you making?" And she sent in her styles. And that yesterday, I just went to buy, because it's an urgent, urgent job. She wanted it on for her graduation on between Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I don't know which day she's using it. But me, if you give me clothes, no. I would like to start making it because I don't want to keep procrastinating. So that yesterday, Sunday, I said I wasn't going to, let me just draft the pattern. But before you know it, I I made up her top. Today I'm going to be making the skirt. I just told myself, just cut it, keep it, tomorrow you make it. And the other one, the black one, I'm going to the market today to go and get the sewing supplies. And also my daughter told me, "Mommy, please, I also want something." And I'm like, "Okay, now I'm in the mood, just bring it." And this is what's the time? This is 8:30 in the morning. Can you see? Today's date is 20th. So 8:30 in the morning, between 6 and 8:30. Meanwhile, from 8 o'clock I started taking my bath. So between 6:30 and 8, I finished drafting the pattern. I'm rushing off to the market now. This is because I have a structure in place. Please, my pace is not your pace because I have structures in place. That's why I was able to, make this yesterday, and today I will finish up. I told her to come do her fitting on Thursday, but I changed my mind. I told her to come today. So guys, you guys go with me to the market. Like I said, it's because I have a structure in place. I have my sewing pattern bodies block. If you need that, go to my website and order for yours. When they say have a structure in place, that's what it means. I just pulled out her size and started doing my surgery to make the pattern, if you understand what I mean. Okay, yeah. Then what else? Then my daughter's size, I've also picked the bodies block and started the pattern drafting. Okay, guys, I'm running off like this. I'm not even doing any makeup, no lip gloss, no nothing. I'm rushing to the market now. So this is 8:33. Rushing to the market. I will take you guys along. I want the kind of fabric I want for my daughter's African print. I want something that will have a touch of black because the lace I'll be using, or the yoke is going to be a black yoke. So I want something that will have a touch of black. So come, let's go to the market, to Wuse Market. So this is 9:21. I just got to Wuse Market now. Ah, this one, the shop looks locked. I hope the market is open. Oh my God. No, thank you. Hiya. Okay, so I'll see if you guys listed for yard. I need let me see the black you have. Yeah, they still got on the floor now. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Got into the place where you sell Ankara in wholesale. So this is the best place to look for what I'm looking for. I have varieties. So now it's time for me to start choosing. So I think this would be nice. Yeah. I think I should go for this. Let me take this. Take. So guys, I'm back from the market. I came back like 1 hour ago, like 10:41. But I just rested a bit and I want to start again. So I'm using this black crepe material for the black dress she wanted. She wanted a black dress, the second dress. So this is the fabric I got for my daughter. So I'm going to set her own aside. Although I told you guys I have done the pattern in the morning. That's the pattern of I'm through with the pattern, through all the corners, and it's set. So this one is off the way, right? It's just for me to sew it. So I'm going to set this aside. I told you guys I just completed this in 1 hour, and that is because I have the basic block ready. When you hear put structure in place, this is what it means. You have your basic body block ready, and whenever you want, you just drag it out and continue with whatever you're making. If you want the link, I'm going to be dropping it in the description section, so you'll be able to get your own PDF sewing pattern. But if you want the pattern of this corset, let me know in the comment section. Use the costume order section to order for yours. If you want it to be a PDF pattern, you want it to be made, already made for you, tailored to your measurement, let me know in the comment section. So I told you I cut the skirt yesterday, so I'm just going to line it and the skirt will be ready. Then I'll go over to the black. And this is a new market buy, guys. I've been looking for tailor's sleeve hem. I've been looking for it for a while now, but the particular one I wanted was that one that can stand like this, and you use this side for the sleeve. But they didn't have that. This is the only one they have, and this is the last one. So I just decided, okay, why don't I just get with this one, and then next time I see the other one, I'll be able to get it. If you know where I can get that particular one, that one that the foam is here, let me know. I want that particular one. But for the meantime, this is very, very durable and it's very strong. Okay, let's go to work. Guys, I just finished making the skirt and the black dress. Yeah, the time now is 2. You can see 2 some minutes after. Oh, the clock is even there. Yeah, so the time now is 2. So I want to go and have some rest and wait till when they are coming back from school for the testing of the first fitting. I just hope she'll be able to make it for fitting today, because originally today wasn't for the fitting, but fingers crossed. Let me just go and have some rest and wait for till the next 2 hours to see if she will be able to come for fitting, and I'll take you guys along. See you. Luckily for me, she came by 4:30. Yeah, it's not even up to 4:29. So she's starting with the first fitting of the black dress. Turn your back, let's see. Yeah. So it's just remaining the yoke, the sleeve side. I don't know why you're shifting your... And this is it with the yoke. Really,
yeah,
this is my best. I love this dress.
Yes.
Anyway, let's go over to the
length. I intentionally made it to be long. It wasn't long, but do you like this length?
So guys, this is the first and the final fitting. So I'll wait for the big day to take the proper pictures and videos.
Okay, this is the second one. So we are done and dusted.